Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to talk a little bit about how you can clean the Nanoe Outlet on your Panasonic hairdryer. So I've got here the NA0J model. It is a Nanoe hairdryer, and before we get to the actual cleaning of the Nanoe Outlet, we're going to talk a little bit about what is Nanoe. Well, in essence, Nanoe technology for hairdryers captures moisture from the air whilst you're using it. It brings it in through the inlet here at the back of the hairdryer, and then it converts it into microscopic particles, which are then released through these outlets at the front of your hairdryer into your hair. And because they're microscopic, those particles are able to latch onto your hair. It moisturizes your hair, it protects your hair, it reduces frizz, it reduces static, and it improves shine. Okay, so it's really important Nanoe technology, and because of that, it's really important that you keep this outlet nice and clean. So we're going to take our trusty cotton earbud again, and we're going to locate the Nanoe outlets. Specifically on this model, we can see that they are here, this large one, and this one as well. So these are the only two outlets we're going to worry about cleaning. We're going to take our cotton bud and we're going to very gently and carefully dampen the tip of the cotton bud and then squeeze it with our fingers until it becomes a little bit more of a point. And then we're also, whilst we're doing that, getting rid of any excess moisture. And then we're going to very gently sweep around the outlet and go in. You can go in about 1 centimetre, and the same with the other, to just very carefully make sure they're nice and clean. Occasionally you can see there'll be a buildup of dust there, there may be a buildup of other particles, and the cleaner those outlets are, the better your hair is going to be protected. So I hope you found that useful. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.